Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, now go straight to Settings and open Account so you can change privacy. Once in Account, choose Privacy and Online Safety. This is where permissions live. Make sure you select the correct profile if multiple accounts exist. You'll see quick presets and a More Options link. Use More Options to get full controls. Start with the simple preset if you want a fast fix, but stick around because the detailed controls let you tailor who sees your activity and communicates with you. Once done with the main page, pick View Details and Customize to get granular. You'll adjust communication and multiplayer so only friends or nobody can message or join parties. This prevents strangers from contacting you. Then change You Can See My Profile, and you can create content options to control visibility of clips and screenshots. Make sure to review game content and multiplayer settings so your activity and voice chat reflect your comfort level. These affect matchmaking and streaming interactions across Xbox Live. After changing options, save and back out to commit them. Sign out and sign in to verify the new behavior immediately. If this is a child account, use family settings to lock preferences remotely and monitor requests. If settings don't apply, clear the cache by holding power for 10 seconds, install any pending system updates, and reapply the privacy choices. One key tip: check console and apps separately. Mobile or web changes sometimes need resyncing on the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.